So in the main issue of electricity and control, I sort of changed tack a little bit, and I focus on the fact that the company has now launched a new website. And the website, of course, has been part of any publishing company for well over 2 decades now. But the interesting thing here is that we felt it was important to start changing the way we communicate with our readers based primarily on 2 things. Number one, the increasing number of online readers, and secondly, the increasing number of people from outside of the country who are becoming interested in a broader spectrum of the engineering topics. So you can now go to www.crown.co.za, which of course is our old website address, but the website is brand new. What that also implies is that if you were a registered online reader, you will have to re-enter your login details. This is to make sure that we refresh that entire list. So I would encourage you to do that. One of the other points I made, of course, in that comment was to emphasize the fact that once you're a logged in online reader and registered to do that, you have access to 11 of our publications. The one that you're most familiar with, of course, is Electricity and Control. But of the 11 other publications, all of them focus specifically on elements of the engineering sector. And these magazines include African Fusion, if you like welding, Capital Equipment News, if you like big yellow things with big wheels, Chemical Technology, chemical engineering, Construction World, if you work in the construction industry in its broadest sense, Housing in Southern Africa. And this is a magazine that focuses particularly on the more economic housing segment and the gap market. Lighting in Design, which is our most glossy publication, and as far as I'm aware, the only business-to-business publication focusing specifically on the needs of lighting professionals. Mechanical Technology for mechanical engineers. Modern Mining, which is a mining magazine that deals with the entire sub-Saharan African region. Modern Quarrying, which is, I always think about it making big rocks smaller, but it's more complex than that. And of course, Sparks Electrical News, our only tabloid and really a newspaper for the broader electrical sector. Folk, we'd encourage you to read those. I know you may be receiving 1 or 2 only in the post, but you don't have to get them in the post. You can log on and read any one of these 11 publications in the broad engineering sector. We have looked at this very critically and recognize that what we can offer is the broader spectrum of business-to-business publications in the engineering sector in sub-Saharan Africa. We'd love you to join us.